Hey guys, what's up? I'm Felipe Ramirez, back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of my new wheels. Boy, say okay. Okay. Let's see what we got.
Show me what you got.
About Rota wheels. Let me zoom this right here. So I got 17 by 8, 40 offset, HB. I don't know what is that. 73 in color. Another sports bronze or sport gold, something like that. So as you guys see, I didn't open the box yet. Everything is closed. I have never seen my wheels in person, never. I know they're new, so as soon as I saw them, I was like, I need to get them. So right now I got my store wheel over here, so we can do a comparison. Wait, and alright, let's open it. Oh boy. Come on. Oh my god. Alright. Oh boy. Oh boy. So this is the cell cap. Okay. Let me see. Wow, bro. They look so good. What? Bro, they look good, bro. Oh my god. I like them, bro. Wow, they're clean. They're super clean. No way. So, Rota wheels. Titan 17 by 8. 4 by 1 HB 73. I don't know what is that. Bro, I can't believe it. Rota wheels. Alright, so let's do a comparison weight. I know these ones. 24 pounds? Wow. That's heavy. That's heavy right there. Let me see this one. Bro, this one is light. Okay. 17? What? I can't believe it, bro. Okay, this one right here is 17 by 7. They're the stock wheels. And this one is 17 by 8 and it's even lighter. What? Bro, I'm so happy right now. Alright, so let's go outside and see how they look in the sunlight. Alright, let me see. They look really good. Yeah. They look good. Let's see how they're gonna look in the car. I know I got everything green, but I'm gonna have to take everything. Oh god. Okay. Let me see. Bro, they look good. I don't wanna lie, they look really good. Alright, so I'm gonna have to take the Steve badges. I'm gonna have to take these two. What else I'm gonna have to take? The window banner. I'm gonna have to take everything off. That one too. These are our stickers, bro. Don't call me Riser. And that one too. Oh god. But it's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I was gonna say subscribe, give it a like, share with your friends, and stay tuned because I'm gonna put this one on and then I'm gonna have to buy tires. So you guys gonna see the process, how I'm gonna buy the tires and everything. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much all. Thank you for watching.